Okay, the circumference of a circle is a function of its radius given by c of r equals 2 pi r. Or you could just say c equals 2 pi r. And it wants me to express the radius of a circle as a function of its circumference and call this r of c. That means they want me to take this thing right here and solve it for r. Okay, well, it's solved for c right now. I didn't draw this very well. Let me erase that. 2 pi r. That means 2 times pi times r. Since they are all multiplied onto the r at the same time, I can divide both the 2 and the pi off. Because technically pi is like 3.14159 blah blah blah, right? It's like a 3.14-ish. And 2 times 3.14-ish is 6.28-ish. So basically I'm dividing both sides by 6.28-ish. But you're leaving it in terms of pi. So, and just like anything else, a 2 pi over a 2 pi is a 1. So really what I have is 1r. Okay, so I have r equals c over a 2 pi. But they want this in functional notation. They want you to write it like this. So you write r of c equals c divided by 2 pi. And it does say type an exact, enter an exact answer, so this is my exact answer. So let's go back to Mobius on that part. Click on this. No, wait, it's up here. Click on this, and it's a fraction, so a over b. Make sure you put a capital C in the numerator, and then scroll down to the denominator. I have to backspace to delete that b, put a 2, and I think it's either under, no, maybe it's under this one. Where is pi? Oh, these are so little. There he is. Pi. There we go. 2 pi. And then part B, so let me go back to my white paper here. Part B says find r of 32 pi. So we are going to take out the c right here and put in a 32 pi in its place. It says calculate r of 32 pi. So wherever the c is, put in a 32 pi. So I'll still have 2 pi in the denominator, but now I'll have a 32 pi in the numerator. And we can simplify that because pi over pi cancels. And then this is just 32 divided by 2, so I get 16. So the answer here is 16. And then it says, interpret its meaning. The radius of a circle with a circumference of r 32 pi is 32 pi. What? The radius of a circle with a circumference of 32 pi is r of 32 pi. Oh, it's the bottom one. Yeah, because we took out the circumference. That was the c, and that was right here, 32 pi. The circumference is the 32 pi because we put it in the r of c function, not the other way around. Okay, so let me go back and I type in 16, and it's this one. The radius of a circle with a circumference of 32 pi is r of 32 pi, which would be 16. Yeah. How did I do? Yay! You know what I want to see happen when you get these right? I want to see some fireworks going off, Like, yay! Instead of just lighting up in green, how about some fireworks? Or confetti. Confetti would be cool. A little bit of confetti, maybe some balloons flying up, Something more fun.